Introducing Promptmate's Audience Segmentation Template. Your one-stop solution for dissecting and understanding customer sentiments using Google Business Reviews. First, go ahead and type your business name and location to be able to locate it on Google Maps and Google My Business. Then click on Run. Once the results are ready, you will be able to see what this template is capable to do. It will first identify trends or emerging preferences. Then it will proceed by identifying positive sentiment reviews. Next, it will proceed with segmentation based on specific products or services. After that, it will be locating negative sentiment reviews, identifying customer preferences, and it will even do geographic segmentation by checking if there are any reviews mentioning specific locations or regions that stand out. But it doesn't end there. It will even do segmentation by demographics when that is possible. It will continue by identifying repeat customers or brand advocates based on the Google Business reviews. Most importantly, it will also identify service-related issues. Finally, it will do a segmentation based on ambience or environment. To download the results, simply click on the download button and choose your favorite download option. By analyzing this data, businesses can segment their audience effectively, uncover service-related issues, and pinpoint emerging trends for better informed decision-making and targeted strategies. For more information, visit promptmate.io. The only tool you need to skip to the finish line.